Hello and welcome to HaloSense Home Salt Therapy. We provide quality respiratory relief through SaltAir, a safe, home-ready, Canada FDA-approved product. You have got asthma or other breathing conditions and cannot afford to go to one of these salt caves. You can now use the SaltAir device. This is an ultrasonic particle dispenser that uses ultrasonic technology to convert saline solution into microscopic salt particles, which will travel deep into your lungs, killing bacteria and removing the mucus that make it hard for you to breathe. Salt particles reduce inflammation and humidify your respiratory tract. They will help to increase the oxygen intake into the bloodstream, promoting overall well-being. The salt aerosols also clean the air around you, removing dust, viruses, and bacteria. The salt air covers around 1,700 cubic feet, so even if you move around the room, you can still breathe the salt particles. Salt air is compliant with the FDA Canada and can be used by anyone with a respiratory disease. This is safe for men, women, and children, including pregnant women and babies. And it isn't going to interact with your medication or diet. In fact, you can even use this for pets with respiratory problems. The SaltAir device consists from two main parts, the base and the water tank. The device is best to be used during nighttime sleep. Set the base on a night table next to the bed. Make sure the device is set on a perfect level surface to avoid spillage. Now we need to make the saline solution. Take the water tank and unscrew the cap and fill the water tank with plain water. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt into the water. You can start with a quarter teaspoon and you can increase to a half teaspoon. No more than this is necessary for results. Close the water tank with its cap and shake to dissolve the salt. Take any excess of water from the water tank grove and wipe it dry with a paper towel. Place the water tank over the base and wipe the whole device dry. Plug in the device and turn it on from the on-off button. Direct the air stream towards you. Do not move the device from one place to another once it is filled. If you need to change its place, separate the base from the water tank, empty the base, and reset the unit to its new location. The water tank will empty in about a week, and it is normal to not see a mist coming out from the device. SaltAir is not a humidifier. It is designed to release only microscopic particles of salt into the indoor air for breathing purpose. The tiny salt particles penetrate deep into the lungs to alveoli, where the oxygen intake takes place, helping in improving blood oxygenation, clearing mucus, reducing inflammation, and fighting infections in the respiratory